Yates Rose Shield is an extremely convenient way to protect your roses from a variety of pests and diseases. Beautiful as they are, roses are prone to black spot in eastern Australia's humid summers. Less common but still a problem are powdery mildew and rust. These are fungal diseases brought on by damp conditions and insufficient airflow around the plants. Rose growers also know that aphids can decimate young foliage and buds. Of course, you can rub them off with your fingers, but if you have a sizable infestation over many plants, then the only answer is to spray. Just mix 10 millilitres per litre of water and spray really thoroughly, ensuring you get to the undersides of leaves as well. You can start spraying when new shoots appear and any other time needed at around 2-week intervals. Yates Rose Shield, an ultra-convenient fungicide, miticide and insecticide, all in one.